In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 mini, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the camera app, and now tap on the more icon, select timer, and pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. I will go with 10 seconds, tap on shutter icon, and within 10 seconds the picture will be taken. And if you'd like to switch it off, just mark it again and click on off. And that would be all. So basically this is it. This is how you can activate camera timer on your Apple iPhone 12 mini. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.